The foundation of America was built by problem solvers. People who never settled but sought more. More rugged, more utilitarian, and more versatile. We didn't innovate because it was trendy. We innovated because we had to, and this shirt is that proof. I'm Pete Roberts, founder and CEO of Origin, and today I am stoked to introduce to you the Origin Nano Rip button-up. This wasn't about making another performance shirt. It's about bringing back the American utility shirt. One shirt that can go almost anywhere and do almost anything you do. You shouldn't have to change shirts just because your day has changed. So we built one that doesn't ask you to. At the heart of this shirt is our Nano Rip fabric. It's a lightweight micro ripstop that delivers the durability you'd expect from workwear without the weight or stiffness that usually comes with it. And the woven grid helps prevent small tears, extending the life of the garment while keeping the fabric light and breathable and comfortable enough for everyday wear. We engineered Nano Rip with four-way stretch. This shirt moves with you instead of working against you. It's breathable, it dries quickly, and it pulls moisture away from your body on hot days like this. And with the Polygiene technology built into the fabric, it stays fresh longer. What's surprising isn't how technical it is, but how versatile it works. We didn't want oversized pockets and loud logos. We just wanted a timeless button-up with the perfect athletic fit. Clean enough for dinner, capable enough for the trail, and comfortable enough that you'll forget it's a performance shirt altogether. And I've been wearing this shirt everywhere. Around the factory, on airplanes, in meetings, out to dinner. And what I appreciate most is that I never have to think about it. And those are the types of products we build at Origin. They quietly become the first thing you reach for. And this shirt, every detail was designed with that in mind. From the athletic fit that moves with your body, to the collar, to the chest pocket, and every stitch throughout the garment. Nothing is there by accident. Because at Origin, we don't believe performance and craftsmanship should ever be separated. And this shirt is made right here in the United States of America by people who still believe products should be built and earn their place in your closet. Not for one season, but for years. America has always built clothing for people who weren't afraid of hard work. That's the tradition we're continuing. This is the Nano Rip button-up. It's one shirt for countless miles, made 100% in America without compromise, and built by freedom.